Nubal. I live in 2633 Sandeas, Malate, Manila.
Alright, cool, man. So tell us what happened over here.
Well, that's my nephew. That's the son of my brother. He was died yesterday for the heart of disease. Well, it's almost a year that there was a sick, you know, and the parents have no money to be in a good hospital. And yesterday, Albin, her name is Arvin. He is blind. He is blind since he was born. He is blind. It's nothing, you know, but he is a good singer. All the students in St. Benil, they know this guy, this nephew. That's my nephew. They know.
How old is he?
He's 21 years old. 21.
That's a young boy. Cool, man. Alright, man. Anything else you want to say? To him, if he was alive, what would you say?
Well, Arvin,
Last words.
wherever you are, God will thank you. Thank you, Arvin, for living the world. I know you are happy. That's okay. Thanks.
So tell us what happened in the hospital.
Yeah, my name is Mario Nubal, the brother of Orlando Nubal, the father of Alvin Nubal, who was dead yesterday. I don't think why the hospital doing like, you know, yesterday about 9:30 in the evening, my brother being Alvin in Manila Hospital. It's a public government hospital. The doctor, the nurse was not cooperate. Then my brother was reacted, and some security guard want to catch my brother and get what they call. Can I speak Tagalog?
Yeah, Tagalog. Talking in Tagalog.
My brother, si Orlan, nag-react, nagalit dahil yung anak niya hindi inaasikaso. Nakatawag pansin doon, gusto pang huliin yung kapatid ko dahil nagwawala. Yung anak niya nahihirapan ng huminga. Dumating ang doktor, sabi, dalahin sa Santa Ana Hospital, ipa-x-ray. Wala man lang kahit na kaunting medical attention para dun sa bata ni Arvin. Kundi sinabi ng doktor, sige, idalahin sa Santa Ana Hospital yan, ipa-x-ray para malaman natin kung ano. Dinala ng hospital ng Santa Ana para i-x-ray dahil nandoon ang x-ray ng buong Maynila, ng hospital ng Manila Hospital. Pagdating doon, in-x-ray, bumalik ng Manila Hospital. Doon pa lang sa ambulance, pinapump na nila yung puso ng pamangkin ko, si Arvin. And then, dumating sila sa hospital ng Maynila, tsaka lang nila binigyan ng isang inasikaso, nilagyan ng oxygen, pero huli na. Ako, bilang isang tiyuwen, humihingi ng konting ano lang, ako Pilipino ako eh. Bakit ganun sila? Umot ba kami mahirap? Ganun na lang re-react sa amin. Hindi nila alam eh, paano na yung kapatid ko kung magwala at mawala sa sarili yan. Ano na lang? Sana naman bigyan nyo kami ng yung hospital na yan, yung mga doktor dyan masyado eh. Ang tinitignan lang nila yung mga malilinis, yung may mga pera, yung may mga pagdating doon may kilala. Yung doktor na yon, sana sino ka man doktor ka, tangkin na mo, babalik din sa'yo. Ginawa mo sa pamangkin ko, hindi mo man lang binigyan ng first aid. Alam mo nang nahihirapan, pinatakbo mo pa ng ibang ospital para patignan ng puso. Doon pa lang sa ospital na yun, kailangan ng bigyan ng lunas. Pero anong ginawa? Don't say anything. Maraming salamat. Kayong doktor ng mga ospital ng Maynila, hindi lahat. Ano na lang kami mahihirap. Mayor Lim, tulungan niyo yung kapatid ko. Maraming salamat. Haharap po kami ng totoo niyan. Tuturo po ng kapatid ko kung sino yung doktor na yun na hindi umasikaso para mabuhay yung pamangkin. Sana buhay pa siya hanggang ngayon. Wala kaming pera kasi kaya hindi kami inasikaso. Ni bigyan ng dextrose, hindi man lang sinaksakan.